Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. Well, this is 3 days in a row where things have not gone as planned. I spent 6 hours today dealing with a certain software vendor trying to get a problem with an upgrade fixed. I'm not sure it's fixed, but Irene's going to be giving it a try. She's at home doing a few other things. I'm heading into the post office to mail off some of her packages. I also need to get fuel for the backup generator and some propane for the greenhouse. Well, on top of all that, there's also an issue with the community infrastructure for the water station. It isn't charging correctly, so I also have to stop and see if I can do something about that on my way back. Wish me luck. My friend Russ and I will get together sometime this afternoon, most likely, to check out that solar trailer to figure out what's going on. We're having a bit of a time getting to charge from the generator. Things happen. Unfortunately, things happen right when I don't need the work. Well, now this is really a community service, so it's really important that people be able to get water, and people were lined up when I came through. I'm going back to check the battery level once nobody's actually using the system. I paid over $100 for gas for the first time in quite a while. Normally I fill the tank and keep it under $70, but today I had to pick up some fuel for our backup generators and fill this tank. So $130 later, we have fuel. That's good because it's going to rain tomorrow. At least that's what it's forecast. It's actually forecast to start at 8 o'clock tonight. So that saves me from having to go out when the road's all muddy tomorrow. And since that's Christmas Eve, I'd just as soon try to stay home on Christmas Day. Living off-grid has its advantages. It also has a few problems. One of them, of course, is where do you get your power from? Everybody out here, well, at least everybody who is semi-reasonable, has some kind of solar power system. The people who come out and plan to live on a generator don't last very long because they burn through the gas, they burn through the generator, and they burn through their money. So knowing how much you're going to use for power is important. Here at the water station, there's no predicting. That's because people come when they need water, and they fill up when they need water. So far today, there's been a lot of water pumped. The batteries are low, but they're not so low that the system's going to shut down, which is good. In the meantime, we're getting a little bit of solar, not a whole lot. It's pretty overcast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications, because we're going to be doing a lot more stuff. In fact, I'm going to get back to the house and get some stuff done. Thanks for watching. Bye.